Have you heard about the posture pandemic? Neither have I. In recent years, the posture pandemic has gained traction. With more people working from home or spending long hours at a desk, there's a rise in sedentary, which is sitting a lot, behavior. This can lead to what's termed sitting disease, characterized by poor posture and its associated problems like back pain, neck strain, and reduced circulation. The excessive use of laptops, smartphones, and other digital devices often cause individuals to adopt a hunched position, straining the neck and shoulders. Over time, this can lead to chronic pain and posture-related issues. Poor posture not only affects musculoskeletal, such a tough word for me, which is like motor systems, muscles, bones, joints, and connective tissues, like all together, like that word serves all that. There has also been a connection between posture and mental health. Slump postures may be associated with lower self-esteem and higher stress levels, whereas an upright posture can promote a more positive mood and self-image, which is vital for mental well-being. Poor postures can lead to discomfort and pain, which are distracting and can diminish concentration and productivity. Doesn't this sound like a 21st century issue? This was not around 100 years ago. We must raise our consciousness around this ASAP. Gratefully, this is an easy and low-cost fix. Of course, depending on how deep you want to get. We will cover 5 things you can do to fight against the posture pandemic. I will also share a 5-minute morning stretch that I do every morning to keep the muscles wet. First, I would like to discuss 3 major impacts that cannot be ignored, which can have like a massive impact on the body and the mind. So first, let's talk about the impacts on the mind. The word that I said earlier, musculoskeletal disorders, according to World Health Organization, musculoskeletal conditions are the leading contributor with disability worldwide, with low back pain being the single leading cause of disability globally. Chronic pain, a study from the Annals of Internal Medicine found that about 80% of adults experience low back pain at some point in their lifetime. It can be attributed to poor ergonomic practices and sedentary lifestyle habits. The other one is reduced circulation. Sedentary behavior can lead to decreased circulation, increasing the risk for deep vein thrombosis, DVT. The American Heart Association has highlighted sedentary time as a risk factor, cardiovascular disease, independent of physical activity level. Now, I want to talk about the impact on the mind. So, mental health research in the field of embodied cognition has found link between body and posture and mental state. So, a study published in the Journal of Behavior Therapy and Experimental Psychiatry reported that individuals who sat in a slumped posture exhibited higher levels of depressive symptoms compared to those sitting upright. It's insane. And another one is cognitive function. A study from San Francisco State University suggested that poor posture could result in decreased energy levels and impaired cognitive function. It showed that students who were asked to walk in a slouched position reported feeling more depressed and having lower energies than those who walked in an upright position. It's insane. The last one is stress levels. So the University of Auckland conducted research that indicated that sitting upright can be a simple strategy to help build resilience to stress. So upright participants reported higher self-esteem, more arousal, better mood, and lower fear compared to slumped participants. Okay, let's switch this energy and concentrate on the solution. The amazing connection of the body and the mind. So when combining body and mind, we achieve 2 massive achievements. We achieve the body-mind connection. A study published in Health Psychology shows a direct correlation between power poses and hormonal levels. Adopting a powerful, open posture can decrease cortisol, which is the stress hormone, and increase testosterone, which is linked to dominance and confidence. It's just crazy what these levels in the body can do. The other thing is overall well-being. The American Psychological Association has reported that physical activity, including stretching, can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Regular movement breaks during the day are recommended to maintain mental health. The body and mind are best friends. They benefit each other like no other. It's time we utilize the tools at our disposal to connect the two as much as we can. Here are the 5 things you can add to your day that will set you up for the future. The first one is stretching at least once a day. If you can stretch for 5 minutes 3 times a day, spread out across the workday, you're in a very good shape. No pun intended. I will share a link to my 5-minute stretch on YouTube. Doing this 5-minute stretch every morning can set you up for overall well-being. The next one is ergonomic setup. Still another word I can't pronounce. Ensure that the work environment is ergonomically designed to support proper posture. This includes having a chair that supports the natural curve of the spine, positioning the computer monitor at eye level, and keeping the keyboard and mouse within easy reach to avoid straining. This is something you can do right away at a very low cost. If you want to take it to the next level, have you heard about the standing desk? I'm not an affiliate, but this can be a very powerful tool. If you want to take it to another level, get yourself an under the desk treadmill. These are all future goals of mine when I'm not a digital nomad and changing locations every 6 months, but I would love to own a desk that can go up and a treadmill underneath that I can walk and work at the same time. Would be a powerful duo, but it's expensive. Another is regular breaks. Taking frequent breaks from sitting can not only help reduce the strain on the spine, but also encourages circulation. The 20-20-20 rule can be helpful. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and focus on something that at least 20 feet away. The other one is posture correcting exercises. Aside from stretching, specific exercises can be incorporated that focus on posture correction, such as Pilates or yoga, which emphasizes body alignment and the straightening of postural muscles. And the other one is mindfulness and body awareness training. So practicing mindfulness can help maintain awareness of the body's posture throughout the day. Techniques like the Alexander technique or the Feldenkrais method can help in developing greater awareness and improving movement patterns. Just having awareness of the posture pandemic can change the posture game for you. I notice that I'm always correcting my posture throughout the day just because I'm aware of it. If I'm sitting, I am being conscious of my posture. And if I'm texting, I focus on how long my neck is slouched. Everything else in our lives, once we have awareness and knowledge, we're able to address the problem right away. We all want to be better. We just need to learn about it. Check out my quick 5-minute stretch and give it a try. Challenge yourself to do it for the next 30 days. Have the video on replay. This will form new neural pathways and turn the habit into behavior. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope this brought value to you, and I hope you could, clean up that posture and just feel better. I've noticed that when I do stretch, I feel just so much better and so much more energy and so much more confidence. It's interesting what the body and the mind, once you connect the two, can really do. Have a lovely week. We'll talk soon. Peace.